So if we move on to European movers, what's been moving in equity markets today that's caught our eye. The first stock is FTSE 250 name Barclay Group. BKGLN is the ticker there if anyone's unfamiliar with that. They're up 8.39% this morning, announcing profits that were 44.5% better. And the stock has lifted the whole UK house building sector this morning, but as I say, Barclays the standout leader, up best part of 8.
Just like rampant, I mean, no pause in the progress at all. Just completely one way, even though we're like years into the bull market on real estate. Yeah,
well, yeah, that's very true. In fact, there was a piece in the Standard just yesterday by Tony Pidgley, the boss of Barclays, explaining why he's investing up to £200 million in a development in West London. He still thinks there's upside to the market, and he's been a of these things over the last couple of decades. Going the other way, Tesco, TSCO, the ticker in London, it's the UK's largest supermarket, down on the day by about 1.4% after Credit Suisse issues a negative note on the supermarkets. Interesting note, they're bearish pretty much on the traditional supermarkets. They have quite like Ocado in the sort of...
Yeah, that has been immune space from the... from the woes across the sector, which is rather ironic given that they have difficulty turning in a profit.
Yes, it's just perhaps shows how the world's changed in those sort of 5 to 10 years that they've been going. And then we move on to a European name that's caught our eye this morning, Telecom Italia, TIT in Milan, up 3.5%. Talk here that Vivendi, a big French media group, which themselves are up 1.3%, are likely to increase their stake in Telecom Italia from 15%, or to 15%, I should say, from around 8.3%. The 8.3% actually it's inheriting from an acquisition it's making in Brazil, but the boss Vincent Bellor said he'd quite like to round up his holding to 15%. So it'll be interesting to see if that happens, and the Italian market like the
heating up the media sector or the telecom sector as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sort of pointing us to Vodafone, and although I suppose they're all integrating now, aren't they?
Yeah, it's that
TMT, it's the TMT thing, isn't it?
It's that challenge of connectivity and content, and trying to find that right balance. But an interesting one to keep an eye on from here on in.